Hello, welcome to another edition of Cooking with Donna. Today I'm going to be making for you loaded stuffed sweet peppers. The peppers will be stuffed with turkey, broccoli, carrots, chopped sweet peppers and some habanero, yellow onions and some shallots, green onions, and garlic quinoa. I'm also going to be using oregano, some garlic, some onion powder, and some basil. So I'm getting ready to brown the turkey, and my oil has been sitting in this pan getting hot, and there you can hear the sizzle. This is going to be about 2 pounds of ground turkey. We're also going to be using the remaining to probably make some other dish. I'm going to season it with a little black pepper, probably about 2 teaspoons, because turkey is very bland and it needs a lot of seasoning. I'm also going to use a half a teaspoon of salt. Now while the turkey is browning, I'm going to bring to a boil a cup and a half of chicken stock, because that's what I'm going to cook the quinoa in. Stock has come to a boil, and I'm going to add my quinoa, and I'm going to stir with a fork. And now I'll cover and turn the heat down to 3, and this will cook for about 14 minutes. Our turkey is nice and brown, and I'm going to add some carrots, because they take a little bit longer to cook than the broccoli florets. And I'm going to add some onion and shallots. I'm also going to add about a teaspoon of powdered garlic, a teaspoon of basil, building my flavor profiles now, and a teaspoon of oregano. Oops, almost got too much in here. Now I'm going to add just a bit of my tomato sauce, just for some color, just a bit of my chicken stock, and I'll stir to incorporate everything. Now I'm adding my chopped sweet peppers with a little bit of chopped habanero peppers, because I need this to be a little spicy. And now I'm adding my chopped green onions. Now I'm adding the broccoli florets, and I added them last because they cook so quick. Now I'm getting ready to add the quinoa. So our oven is ready, and I'm getting ready to stuff our peppers with washed hands. So one of the reasons why I wanted to do this stuffed peppers with all this veggie goodness is I really need to incorporate diet or diabetes friendly foods in my repertoire of what I eat on a daily basis, and it's quite challenging to eat the same thing over and over, so this should be a change up for me for this. Now we're ready to put this in the oven. So now it's time to make my fried yellow plantains. I like the yellow ones because they're a little sweet. here we have it, our loaded sweet peppers with fried plantains on the side. I can't wait to dig in. See you next time.